Hey guys, Matthew here with Cool Stuff. Today I've got the Sony WH-1000X M3. So this is the third model of their WH-1000s. These headphones are considered one of the best noise canceling Bluetooth headphones out there to rival that of Bose. And so that's what we're going to unbox today. So let's start off with a quick spec of these headphones. These headphones allow for hands-free calling with HD voice. So hopefully when I use these headphones I'll be able to talk to people and they won't be able to tell that I'm either on my headphones or on my headset itself. So we'll be able to check that out. These headphones are able to do quick charging, so 10 minutes of charge gives it about 5 hours of battery. I believe what I've been hearing is that 10 minutes will give you about 4.5 hours, but I'll let you guys know in a later review. On a full charge, these give you 30 hours of music playback, which is phenomenal. Most headphones give you about 15 to 20, so 30 hours is amazing. These headphones also are paired with a voice assistant function. So if you use like your Google Home app or your Amazon Alexa, sorry if I just set off a lot of your Amazon echoes. I'll try not to do that anymore. But if you have that, these should work with them. This has the 3.5 headphone millimeter jack as well, along with the Bluetooth, which is nice. These charge with USB Type-C, which is a great addition. I'm glad that these went with USB Type-C. I personally use USB Type-C with everything that I use so far. So my tablet, my phone, my computer. I'm glad that these use USB Type-C, so that way I only have to carry one cord and not have to worry about, do I have my lightning cord, do I have my micro USB cord, do I have my USB Type-C cord. I have one cord to charge all of these. So that's a great feature that I'm glad that these have. And these are included is a carrying case, which is supposed to be pretty premium. So we'll have to check that out. These work with iPhone and iPad as well as Android. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox these. So I got my knife. Check that out. Don't need that anymore. So here's the headphones. Let's go ahead and take them out of the box. So the first thing we agree with when we open the box is this right here. Kind of an easy setup kind of thing. So let's put this to the side. And then we'll move this over. And we're greeted with the headphone case itself that has the headphones. So let's move this over here. And then we've got some paperwork. Don't need this. Just a quick start guide right here. Let's check this out. So yeah, this is just a quick start guide for the companion app that comes with it for Google Assistant. So we'll throw that away since I know how to use Google Assistant. Just some warranty stuff. Don't need that. And then a nice little how-to on charging, how to pair. So, but don't need that. And then this. It's just a quick guide. So we'll get rid of that. And then that's the box. So let's start with opening up the headphones. So the first thing you're greeted with now is the headphones themselves. You've got headphones right here, wrapped in a nice little case. We'll take these out, and then we don't really need this anymore, so we'll just throw that out. So we have the headphones, and then we have the cord. This is the headphone jack itself to go listen to music, all that good stuff. And then you have a nice little airplane adapter, which is nice, just tucked in here. It's a nice touch for your airplane adapter. And then you're charging a USB Type-C cord, which I like a lot. So yeah, and that's all that is in the case. So I do like how the case itself has the touch dials and everything like that right there. It's a nice addition. It's a nice touch. But so we'll close the case. On the back side of the case, you'll see this kind of mesh pocket to store your cords or anything like that. I wish this was on the inside. The Microsoft Surface headphones have this on the inside, and it's just nice because it makes the case look really clean. However, this doesn't look bad, but it still, I wish it was on the inside. So we'll move the case to the side now. And here are the headphones themselves. These are the Sony WH-1000X M3s. They are Sony's third model at these headphones. These are to compete with Bose. And so here is the inside. The ear cups are nice and plush. It gives you some space right here for your ears, but not a whole lot like the Bose. But it doesn't give you to where it makes your ears feel super uncomfortable, kind of like the Microsoft headphones. I believe on the left side, you have your power button, your Bluetooth button, and your noise, ambient noise button, or active noise cancellation button. And then you also have your headphone, your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. See if I can pull that up right there. That's the millimeter jack right there. And then on the right side, all you have is the USB Type-C charging port. So that's nice right there. It's just a nice addition to be able to charge with USB Type-C. Now what you'll notice are that there are no buttons other than the power button, pairing button, and the active noise cancellation button. That's because on these headphones they use touchpads. So on the touchpads, which is what the case kind of explained, was how to use the touchpads. So on this, if you tap on the right ear cup, it will pause, play, or it will answer your phone calls. If you swipe forward, I guess, it moves to the next track. If you swipe backwards, it moves to the previous track. If you swipe up, it does volume up, and swipe down, does volume down. So it's just a nice little thing for this headphone to have. There's no buttons to have to worry about. It's all swipe gestures. It will take a little bit of time to get used to the gestures, but overall I do like them. I know that the Surface headphones use taps and dials, which is a nice combination, and the Bose headphones use only buttons, and so this kind of changes the user interface a little bit different with the only touchpads. I like the gold accents on it here on the microphones, boom, boom, and then the Sony gold right there kind of gives it a nice unique touch, as well as I like the plushness of the headband. It makes it feel premium. So the build is very good. I'm not trying to totally kill these, but it looks like they are holding up, so that's good as well. I wish that the swiveling was a little bit more stiff. I feel like it's not as flimsy as the Bose QC35 headphones, but it doesn't feel as premium, in my opinion, as the Microsoft Surface headphones. So that is my unboxing of the Sony WH-1000X M3s. I will put out another video later on with just a review on these headphones. but overall I am very impressed with how these look and feel, and later on we'll talk about sound. But thank you for watching. If you liked my video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe. And so yeah, that's my video.